takeoff. Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
Oh my god, here we go again.
300 meters.
Danger, west. Thank you.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Injury? What injury?
Just go, just go.
Sending down equipment package. Extraction I'm out! Warning, you are in range of enemy artillery. Requesting tag pack! Warning, you are in range of enemy artillery. Requesting sentry! Pelican 1 arriving at coordinates.
Never mind.
Second location. Cancel that.
East, box.
Get some! Get some!
Ow!
Wait,
Just go!
Oh my gosh.
Where do you know all the stratagems have like a ball thing you throw out? Where are you pulling the balls from?
Pass.
take back our land. Dismantle its occupiers. Warning, you are leaving the mission area.
Oh my goodness! Did you just say you peed in your cape?
No, I said my pickled cape.
I definitely heard I peed in my cape.
Point me to the enemy! Warning, you are leaving the mission area.
I'm gonna die if I don't move the car.
Firing a pin. South, 300 meters.
Starbucks Eric. I'm walking this fucking track.
Canister's empty. New canister!
Only best buds pee themselves together. Okay, I gotta break character for that. 'Cause just only best buds pee themselves
You're the
together.
ones who's making fun of my bed being wet last week.
Joining the prosperity. Fire in the hole!
Tagging map. East. 200 meters.
Activating jump now.
Objective located. North.
Tagging map. South. 200 meters. Throwing grenade! Reinforcing!
That's just a laser. Wow, that came all the way out there. Careful.
Orbital.
Nice.
Clear the area. Oh, the galaxy looks
Sentry! Minus 1 minute. Requesting air support.
Two more holes, one right there, and one over on me.
Mission at 20 minutes remaining.
You, buddy.
Go bail out! I don't know how we got to the moon, but I'm sorry about that.
Request approved. Reinforcements have been launched.